Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a delicious and creamy restaurant style paneer kaju masala. This rich and flavorful paneer curry is perfect for lunch, dinner, parties or special occasions. Let's prepare delicious gravy using cashews, onions, tomatoes and aromatic spices. Once the gravy becomes smooth and creamy, we'll add our soft paneer cubes. The combination of creamy gravy, tender paneer and crunchy cashew gives this dish an amazing restaurant style taste. Finally, we'll add some fresh cream, kasuri methi and coriander for extra flavor and beautiful finish. Serve this delicious paneer kaju masala with butter, naan, roti, paratha or jeera rice. So let's get started and make this rich, creamy and absolutely delicious paneer kaju masala at home. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching.